Okay, my name is Tsiry Sandratraina. I'm from Madagascar. I'm a JavaScript developer. I'm the creator of Fluent CI. So today I'm going to talk about how I use Dagger with Deno. I started working on Fluent CI 2 months ago. I want to rewrite all my CI/CD pipelines in TypeScript. So I decided to choose Deno. I don't want to set up to configure Node.js and tsconfig. So I choose Deno. So what is Fluent CI? So Fluent CI is a CLI tool for CI/CD. Fluent CI is built on top of Dagger, and all the pipelines in Fluent CI is written in TypeScript. You can see on the website of fluentci.io how you can install Fluent CI CLI. You just need Deno install, and there are already some pre-built pipeline, so you can reuse on your project. And Fluent CI also provide a generator for YAML. If you want to generate YAML configuration for other platform like GitHub Actions or GitLab CI, and you can also publish your pipeline as a Deno module, so you can reuse it on other project easily. So how it works behind? So as you can see in this picture, Fluency is like an extension to Dagger CLI. Fluency provides some subcommand like init, run, list, and search. To get started with a new CI/CD configuration, you must execute the command fluentci init. This will create a fluentci directory in your project. And after, you can just execute fluentci run dot, and fluentci will spawn Dagger CLI, and it will generate Deno command behind. You can also run directly Deno module a pre-built pipeline. Like in this picture, I just run Fluent CI run REST pipeline, and it will download the Deno module from Deno land third-party package. And now let's see a real example of how we can use Fluent CI. So let's create a new empty directory. And we start by running Fluent CI init. This will download an initial Fluent CI pipeline. As you can see, so we can list the pre-built job inside the basic pipeline. We can also show the documentation here. So now we can just execute Fluent CI run in the current directory to execute the default job inside the basic pipeline. You can also specify the job you want to run. And now let's see three real-world example on how we can use Fluent CI on our projects. So the first one is a simple Deno project with just a main file. We just a single HTML page. So let's explore default available jobs inside this project. So I already pre-configured the project. I used the default Deno pipeline for this project. So all the TypeScript code are stored inside the Fluent CI directory. You can see here the Dagger code and the code of the config generator for our platforms. So let's run the default pipeline for this project. You can just execute Fluent CI. And if we want to run the deploy job, we can specify it like this. And it will be deployed on Deno deploy. So the next example is a Gradle project, Java project. So it's already cached. And the last example is a Rust project. I use the default pre-built pipeline for deploying to Shuttle. Shuttle is a platform for deploying Rust project. And now we have the project correctly deployed on shuttle.rs.
Sweet.
And Let's see the structure, the folder structure, the directory project structure behind. So in this REST, simple REST application, we have the Fluent CI directory here, and all the jobs for the pipeline are in the. This is a regular Deno project, Deno module, and all jobs are inside the Dagger folder. As you can see, this example, there's only one job defined here. This is just a deploy job for shuttle.
And there is a question that came in. Is it possible to configure custom builder images?
Yes, we can extend the default pipeline if we want to customize the job. For example, we can see here the default shuttle pipeline. Here we have environment variables, and if we want to use the pipeline programmatically, you can just call the pipeline, import the pipeline, the node module, like the Deno module like this.
Awesome. And Tsiry, is there anything you wanted to show just really quickly before we move to the next demo? Because I just want to make sure we have enough time.
That's the end of my demo. Thanks for watching.